There are also a number of interesting optical illusions that are available. And you can look at almost any textbook to get some ideas of optical illusions. Let me just demonstrate a couple here. You can have students hold their fingers like that and then tell them to focus first on their fingers and then beyond. So focus beyond themselves. And as they start to focus beyond themselves, you'll see a space, the space between your fingers, occupied by a third finger. And that's an example of an optical illusion. And why is that? Well, it's because our eyes are focusing on a different object than on our fingers. If you close one of the eyes, you will not observe that. Whether you open your left or right eye makes no difference, and that's also why you can't see this image on the camera, because the camera is not recording in stereo. A second demonstration involves taking a vial and filling it about 2/3 or so with water, and then placing your finger in it. So here we'll have a close-up. I'll put my finger in that, and when I put my finger in there, you'll notice that the image that you see now is actually larger than my actual finger. This is caused by the fact that light that is reflected from my finger has to pass through the water, and because the water is curved, we actually get refraction taking place, which enlarges the image that we see, and hence the finger appears to be swollen rather than the normal size. We observe another interesting effect when we view an object such as a pencil or a glass rod, in this case, submerged in water in a beaker. You'll notice that it appears that the rod itself is broken. We have two different rods, whereas in actual fact we have only one. And that again is caused in part by reflection as well as refraction.